learners on the following. First, early language, literacy, and numeracy assessment. So, it is a classroom-based reading test. So, there will be a reading test just to select these target learners. Then, school-based assessments in math and key subjects. Then, teachers identify priority learners. Okay? As we all know, that teachers in the public schools or any schools, of course, they have these priority learners. Meaning to say, these priority learners need help. That is why in our division, we think that adult program is a good opportunity for our learners to enhance their reading and numeracy. Okay. Now here, I'll be pointing out 4 key adult interventions. First is reading and numeracy sessions. So what will happen in this numeracy